What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Panama City Beach. We're going to explore Panama City, show you guys around. Let's do it. Panama City is located in Bay County, Florida, on the panhandle of Florida. So it is located along US Route 98, and it's in between the major cities of Tallahassee and Pensacola. If you look inland, you will see there is Panama City. But where all the tourists go is what we're going to show you in this video here. This travel guide from Panama City is Panama City Beach. So we're starting out here in Pier Park, which is a new area. If you've been coming to Panama City Beach for a few years now, you may notice that this is new. They do have a big Ferris wheel here. They obviously have the pier, and they've built this whole area into a shopping complex with Starbucks and Margaritaville, lots of different food venues that you can check out. Now the other main area is known as Lake Wharf, and down there is going to be Pineapple Willy's, which we will be stopping by later on in this travel guide. That's on St. Thomas Drive. Around there they're going to have the Ripley's, believe it or not, which we don't actually go to, but they have several other theme parks for the families over there, like Coconut Creek Family Fun Park. But you can see Pier Park is a great place for the family. Another thing I'd like to say about this is you can see the skies are blue. On this particular day, it was also anticipated to have some rain. So don't always believe what you see on the weather forecast, because even though it might be calling for rain, the skies may end up being blue, and that can work out to your advantage. But down here in Panama City, be aware that it is one of the rainiest places on the United States map. So they do get a lot of rain down here. All right, what do you guys say we go get some food? This is about that time, isn't it, for some lunch? So we'll head over to Pompano Joe's. We'll show you guys that place. And I'm about to get some seafood because I'm in Panama City. All right, so we're here at Pompano Joe's ordering a beer and probably going to get some seafood. So this here is an order of snow crab legs and a ahi mahi salad. Across the street to the actual pier, they do charge to go walk out onto that pier, by the way. I don't know if that's to limit the amount of foot traffic they get over there, or if they're trying to make money, or if there's some other reason, but they do charge to go out onto the pier. I'm assuming maybe for fishermen or some sort of reason they want to do that. But nonetheless, the beach is really nice down here. They have umbrellas, and the water is crystal clear. Really, it is. Perfect sand beach. And they also have a really good area for kiddie pools, areas for kids to swim, as you'll see as we're walking around this beach here. All right, here we are on Panama City Beach, just outside of Pier Park. You can see the pier right behind me. Beautiful beach. People shoulder to shoulder all up and down here on the weekends. Look at that. Now, it did just so happen that while we were down there, they had a jet ski championship. From what I understand, this is the world championship for wave runners. Lots of those people who were participating were actually young kids. It seemed like they were teenagers, and they were ripping. And as you can see right here, they were just boogieing on around this beach, and there was lots of people hanging out watching them. Really a good time to take in the sun and the environment while watching these guys race. If you all are enjoying this video, please do like the video and consider subscribing to this channel, Island Hopper TV, and turn on the bell if you guys want to get notified every time we make a new video. We do have some new videos coming up from Atlanta, Charlotte, and we've also done Destin, Florida, Pensacola, Florida. So if you guys want to watch those videos, you guys can already go back onto this channel and see them. We will post a link at the end of the video to all those places. Alright, so after we watch the Wave Runner competition, we head back out onto the road and show you guys some of these other hotels here. Now there's many different chain hotels, and there's also non-chain hotels all up and down this road here, and we'll show you those hotels right now and the vacation rentals. So as you guys know, Panama City Beach, or Panama City, is the spring break capital of America. Right down here you have Destin, and then you have Pensacola. Now with all that being said, Panama City in and of itself is a small town, 15,000 people. This beach area right here though, it can get hundreds of thousands of people in Panama City, visitors coming down here at any given time, from the Midwest, from all parts of Florida, from Northeast. So it really does get going. Lots of traffic out here too on this main drag. Yeah, when you come down here, you can also get these vacation rentals. This one here by livebythegulfcoast.com. You can see this one here right there on the beach in the heart of Panama City, but outside of the actual ruckus. Still got the main drag, but you're right here on the beach. You got a barbecue and all that. Pretty nice. Then one of the best ways to get around here is going to be golf carts. You can see this one by Outlaw Rentals. Here's another one you guys can contact. I've seen this sign all over Panama City. iTrip Vacations. There's their phone number right there. www.itrip.net. And one more for you. Holiday Beach Rentals, 844 PC Beach. holidaybeachrentals.com. Make your mark. Have a look at this Days Inn and their pool with the bar right next to the Holiday Inn Express. And here is a look at the Holiday Inn Express and their pool. Alright guys, we are here at Harpoon Harry's right on the beach, right next door to Hooters. We had to scratch that plane because they were full and they only accepted cash. So we came over here. I'm actually happier with this place than I would have been over at Hooters, to be honest. I'll try this bar. Got some ahi dip with chips. All right, here we are on South Thomas Drive and Front Beach Road. We're gonna go down to Pineapple Willy's right here and show you guys this area of Panama City Beach. This is the lakefront wharf area that I was telling you guys about. This is where they have the big high-rise hotels and resorts out here, the ones that really tower above you. So right here I got the redneck lemonade, and my friend here, he got the voodoo punch. I don't know what's in them, but we're about to find out. So I'm over here looking at this menu. These are some really good prices for a restaurant right on the beach. I mean, hot wings, $12. Pulled pork, where's pulled pork? Down here somewhere, $12. It's damn good prices. Sweet baby rays. Pulled pork sandwich. You know how it is when you got these finger foods, you just got to tear it up, right? You know how I get down with that. When it comes to the finger foods, I just really just go to town. Yeah, just in case you guys are curious, that's the Lakefront Resort right here across the street from Pineapple Willy's. This whole area right here, really the heart and soul of Panama City Beach. So, big old hotel right there, that resort. But they got more resorts right over here if you look right over here. So this whole area, really the place you want to be. All right, guys, if you guys are looking for a really nice resort that's relaxing, but close enough to the center of the city out here in Panama City Beach, consider Boardwalk Beach Resort. So this here area is very relaxed, but close enough to everything. If you look right down there, there's the heart and soul of Panama City Beach. So nice and relaxing right here at this hotel. And if you forgot something and need to do some shopping, come on out to Alvin's Island. So when you come out here to Panama City Beach, you can check out Alvin Island. It's a souvenir shop. Something like this can be really useful for keeping the sun. There's quite a bit of entertainment out here. How about this Vomitron or go-karts or the Slingshot? Check out this theme park right across the street from the Lakefront Wharf. All right, Island Hoppers, that's going to conclude this episode from Panama City Beach. Hope you guys enjoyed it and watch some of these other videos from around the panhandle of Florida.